time for our first unboxing of the new school year. So all of these books you can check out as soon as they're ready. Okay, our first book is Prince of Thorns by Mark Lawrence. And we have Song of the Abyss by Makia Lussier. We got 2 copies of Oathbringer by Brandon Sanderson. And I know that's one of your guys' favorite series, the Stormlight Archive, and this is book 3. Then we have Explorer Academy, The Falcon's Feather by Trindy Truitt. Kingdom of Souls by Raina Barron. Okay, this is the Nebula Secret in that Explorer Academy series. I think that was one you guys requested. Sorry about that. How to Hang a Witch by Adriana Mather. I heard that this is a fantastic book, especially for Halloween. Then we have A Warriors Into the Wild. This is just another copy because book 1 was missing. We have a new Mary Downing Hond guest, A Changeling Tale. So those of you who haven't read Mary Downing Hond, they are creepy. Okay, Intensity by Sherilyn Kenyon. Red Skies Falling. This is the Skybound Saga, and this is book 11. It's by Alex London. Oops. The Girl the Sea Gave Back by Adrienne Young. We have 2 more in this box. Okay, a new copy of Looking for Alaska, John Green. And Squirrel Flight's Hope. This is a super edition. These are 3-in-1 by Erin Hunter. This is one that I accidentally opened, but you guys will want to see it. It's a Guinness World Records 2020. Okay, Vampire Knight number 3, another replacement copy. The first one fell apart. You guys read it so many times. Okay, time to open another box. This one has a couple books in it. Endgames by Rue Zhu. This is just a graphic novel. And another graphic novel, Newsprints, also by Rue Zhu. These 2 are in the same series. They go together, and this is one that you guys requested.